It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations.
I'm really on fire tonight, can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now, ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud, and if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie.
As well, I did a bit of refresh, but I didn't want to take you guys along because I think I've shared, like, in one of the videos I've shared the bedroom, so it's most recently. I only removed the pamper grass. I don't know, you guys, I have mentioned this to you. The Tuchelo broke my thing in my vase, so now this is the setup we have, and I want to use this. This is what I was referring to when I said I wanted the pictures to be like this, even though this is more white than the background, but I think on the wall it won't be that bad. So we're printing most of our pictures and put them on this canvas. Guys, please do advise, what can I use that is, well, like, frankly, to put in these pictures, because I thought it would be on this video and I want this video to be up tomorrow, but I don't have the double-sided tape that I bought. You know, it was expensive and I thought it would work better, but in our previous house it's failed, and now I don't want the same thing to happen with these pictures. So now I still haven't, like, spray painted the other one that I showed in the previous video. So this one is complete. I just wanted to see how it's going to be like, but even though it's not, like, not straight, I'm still going to, you know, put it nicely at the center of the canvas. But I think it will really look nice. I'm loving the size of it as well. So please do advise, what can I use on the walls to hang pictures that is, like, rental friendly?
Stars above, all I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, let me on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before, I've been through hell and more. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my, now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my, yeah, hold on to my heart.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Heart. No little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help. But I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Heart. No little by little here. I'm gonna go give my all, cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. Pour out my heart. Oh, boy. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear.
So I washed the girls' bedding, excluding the other blanket that are, excluding this blanket. Let me just try and show you. Excluding this blanket, I just washed this and the sheets. And also, guys, please do advise, where can I get like the what do you call these, the mattress protector for 3/4 or single bed? Please do advise me on the comment section. And also, yesterday when I was ironing, I managed to iron the girls' clothes. I really like to see them like this. You see, I even like ironing their sweaters, because sometimes they become something that I don't know myself. So yeah, it's not proper, but it's ready for them whenever they need it.
Yeah, why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, let me on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to her before, I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before, this way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby.